Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to use 10 Web AI Website Builder. If you want to create a professional website quickly without designing everything from scratch, 10 Web AI Website Builder can generate an entire site for you in minutes. It uses AI to build layouts, pages, and content based on a simple prompt. To begin, open your browser and go to 10 Web AI Website Builder. Once you're on the website, sign up or log in to your account to access the dashboard. After logging in, look for the option to create a website with AI and click on it. This will take you to the AI setup interface. Here, you'll see a prompt section where you can describe the type of website you want to build. In the prompt field, type anything you want. For example, build me a website to sell gym bags. This tells the AI exactly what kind of site you want, including the niche and purpose. After entering the prompt, click on Send. The AI will now begin building your website automatically. This usually takes a few moments while it creates. Homepage design, product or service sections, images and layout, as well as basic content relevant to your niche. After the generation process is complete, you'll be taken into the editor. Here, you can review your newly created website and make any necessary changes by clicking on Customize. You can customize text content, images, layout sections, and colors and fonts. The editor is typically based on a visual builder, making it easy to drag and adjust elements. If you're creating an e-commerce site, you can also add or modify product sections, update descriptions, and configure store settings. Take your time to refine the design so it matches your brand and the type of products you want to sell. Once you're satisfied with your website, click Publish to make it live. Using 10 Web AI Website Builder allows you to quickly generate a complete website using just a simple prompt, saving you time and effort. To summarize, using 10 Web AI Website Builder involves entering a prompt, letting the AI generate your site, customizing the design, and publishing it. This makes it easy to create a professional website without needing advanced design or coding skills. And that's how to use 10 Web AI Website Builder. By entering a clear prompt and customizing the generated site, you can quickly launch a website tailored to your needs. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.